back into Adobe Premiere Pro, and I want to show you another way to edit or fix kind of background noise. You might get some hissing in there, or you might have a loud fan in your room and you want to adjust that. I did do a video earlier about how you can edit it in Adobe Auditions from Adobe Premiere. That is my favorite way for kind of changing it. I will change the audio for the entire clip right up front. I'll import it in, I'll select that, and you can go in. With Adobe Auditions, you have more options, more flexibility. It's easier to see taking the video out and just being able to focus on the audio itself. However, there is a way that you can edit in Adobe Premiere itself. So let's say you've gone ahead and you thought the audio sounded good, but you've edited your video here, so it's all cut up, and you notice that one particular piece suddenly, let's say this short piece here, has some background noise, it has some kind of a microphone pop or something on it, and you want to get rid of that. So what you can do is, if you look here at the top, you see these tabs here. You want to go over to Effects, and it'll bring up this screen. Select the clip which you want to edit, and on your right hand side here you have several options. Again, what you want to click on is called Essential Audio. Then down here you have your basic presets, so you can go and click on Dialogue, and here you can adjust similar to I did in the previous video. In Adobe Auditions, you have reduce noise, you can reduce the rumble, you can use dehum, all of those options there. You can bring these up and down. On this video, I don't necessarily need it. I already adjusted all the settings. You have equalizer there. Most of the settings that you saw in Adobe Auditions is there, but I find it easier to be able to look at the actual audio and edit it separate from the video and then import it back in. But then again, that's a personal preference, just me. If you just want to do a quick edit, this is probably the easiest way that I can think of. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you later.